Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but as a creator, we struggle to keep all our files together and find them in the first place between iCloud accounts and Google Drive accounts and Dropboxes. We spend so much time trying to review these SOWs and other deliverables, or even just searching for personal files in any of these locations. So once Dokkio actually reached out to us and told us about their platform and what their AI capabilities are, this really piqued our interest. So, I don't know about you again, but we spend hours probably over the course of the weeks trying to find these documents. Dokkio is a one-stop shop that will actually merge everything together and help you find the data you're looking for. What is actually really good about this is, again, I've been so frustrated knowing a file exists, but I couldn't remember where it was stored. I was actually able to use Dokkio with their trial they even gave us to show how their product solved these problems. It connects to all major cloud storages, whether it's Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, OneDrive, email attachments, and chat tools, so you don't have to jump between different platforms to find your files. It uses smart AI to figure out what kind of documents you have and sorts them for you. This will save you hours of sorting the files yourselves, and it truly understands your files. It basically can tell you if a PDF is a contract or a resume related to a specific project or client. It'll give you a simple view of all your files no matter where they're stored. And Dokkio actually has a Chrome add-in that gives you access to your files inside other online tools. And probably, most importantly, it respects your existing permissions. People only can see what they're allowed to see. So make sure to go to trydokkio.com and go to Phones and Drones in the description and use our promo code to get your first month for free. Even if you do sign up, use the trial and like it, you are only going to be spending $10 a month on their platform, and this is a great value add if struggling for organization is something of an opportunity for you. A call out what makes Dokkio different is that it uses that smart AI we just talked about to create a unified view across all your platforms, so you don't have to change how you work or move anything around or learn new habits. It really fills the gap for what you're missing to help you find anything you need in seconds. Like I said, the AI understands what the files are, not just what they're called. At first, I really didn't think that it was going to be as useful as it is, and I've tried other organizational tools before, but Dokkio is the first solution that actually works with your natural way of working instead of forcing you to adopt to their system. It caters to you. As you can see, this is what your homepage looks like. It keeps everything under recent activity. For all your items, you can have it show your files only, emails only, or pages only. So you can see we have things for Spira, daily digests, and then on the left-hand side, you can see charges, invoices, photos, receipts, screenshots, projects you might have, and any other tags you might have set up, or adding new selections is always possible. You can go to all your files, all emails, all pages, sources. You can see just how intelligently it actually separates everything and makes it easy to see. You are obviously able to customize this in any way you need, which makes it very, very useful in your day-to-day operations. So like I said, you have no risk to try it out. It's completely free. Use that affiliate link down below. And thanks for Dokkio to partnering with us on this video. Obviously, we're just one person. I'm very curious to know how you guys will utilize this and how, if you struggle like we did, you're taking advantage of this platform. Comment down below, let us know what you think, and we'll be back in a future video to show you even more features that Dokkio offers. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.